Welcome, automotive enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of Mercedes-Benz engineering to explore the top 5 most reliable engines that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. From petrol to diesel, V6 to V8, Mercedes has consistently pushed the boundaries of performance and reliability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. M276 Best Mercedes Petrol Engine. Our journey begins with the crown jewel of Mercedes petrol engines, the M276. Launched in 2010, the 3.0L or 3.5 LV6 engines replaced the earlier M272, setting new standards for performance, efficiency, and refinement. The M276's direct injection system, twin turbocharging, and a lightweight aluminum engine block contribute to its stellar reputation. Powering models from the S-Class to the SLK, the M276, especially the 3.0 LV6BI turbo variant, the M276 DLA30, delivers a thrilling 362 horsepower. Number 2. OM606 Best Mercedes Diesel Engine. Transitioning to diesel, we encounter the legendary OM606, a testament to longevity and reliability. Introduced in the mid-1990s, this 3.0L inline-6 diesel engine has outlasted its fair share of vehicles. The OM606's cast-iron block and Bosch mechanical fuel injection system contribute to its robust construction and easier maintenance, making it a favorite among DIY mechanics. While not breaking speed records, the OM606 delivers decent power, and its reputation for running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles makes it a diesel powerhouse. Number 3. M156 Best Mercedes V8 Engine. If you crave raw power and spine-tingling acoustics, the M156 is the epitome of Mercedes V8 excellence. Introduced in 2006, this naturally aspirated 6.2 LV8 is the first entirely developed by Mercedes-AMG. Defying the industry shift towards smaller, turbocharged engines, the M156 is a tribute to the raw power of a big, naturally aspirated V8. Delivering a breathtaking 510 horsepower in the C63 AMG Black Series, the M156 is not just about power. It's about the unmistakable roar that sends shivers down any car enthusiast's spine. The M156's influence extends to the M159 engine, further enhancing its already impressive performance. Number 4. M113 Most Reliable Mercedes Engine. Moving on to the MONI 113, we encounter one of Mercedes' best and most reliable engines ever produced. Since its introduction in 1998, the naturally aspirated V8 engine has been a stalwart in various Mercedes models, including the E430, S500, and CLS55 AMG. Available in multiple displacements, the 5.0 version, showcased in models like the E500 and S500, is particularly esteemed. The M113's durability is a result of meticulous engineering, boasting a twin-spark design and a 3-valve per cylinder configuration. This unique setup enhances the engine's breathing efficiency and fuel economy. Constructed with a cast aluminum engine block and cylinder heads, the M113 proves its mettle by easily surpassing hundreds of thousands of miles with regular maintenance. Number 5. M112 Best Mercedes V6 Engine. Finally, we explore the M112, the best of Mercedes V6 engines. Serving as the foundation for the M113 engines, the M112 V6 engines, with displacements ranging from 2.6L to 3.7L, have etched their mark in Mercedes-Benz history. Celebrated for their innovative 3-valve per cylinder design and twin-spark ignition, the M112 engines epitomize performance and efficiency. Among its impressive variants is the M112A37, a 3.7L powerhouse offering a compelling blend of robust performance and fuel efficiency. Power outputs spanning from 168 to 255 horsepower showcase the M112's versatility. Found in models like the C-Class, E-Class, SLK, and CLK, the M112 proves to be a dependable workhorse, seamlessly delivering power whether propelling a luxury sedan or a sporty roadster. And there you have it. From the petrol prowess of the M276 to the versatile performance of the 112, each engine tells a unique story of innovation, durability, and automotive excellence. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, drive safe and stay tuned for more automotive adventures.
Have you ever wondered which Maserati cars stand out as the most reliable over the years? From luxury sedans to powerful sports cars, Maserati has a rich history of crafting vehicles that blend Italian craftsmanship with performance. Today, we delve into the top 10 most reliable Maserati cars that have left an indelible mark on the automotive world. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. Maserati Quattroporte. Kicking off our list is the Maserati Quattroporte, a symbol of Italian luxury and power. Since its inception in 1963, this sedan has epitomized elegance with its sleek design and potent performance. The latest iteration, introduced in 2013, boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, delivering a staggering 410 horsepower. Its opulent interior and advanced technology redefine the driving experience, making the Quattroporte a true masterpiece of automotive engineering. Number 2. Maserati Gran Turismo. Next up is the Gran Turismo, a two-door coupe that exudes both sophistication and adrenaline. Launched in 2007, this masterpiece houses a 4.7-liter V8 engine, producing an impressive 454 horsepower. Its seamless blend of luxury and performance ensures a thrilling ride every time, reaffirming Maserati's commitment to excellence. Number 3. Maserati Levante. Introducing the Levante, Maserati's venture into the realm of luxury SUVs. Since its debut in 2016, the Levante has captivated enthusiasts with its 3.0-liter V6 engine, generating 345 horsepower. With its Italian flair and formidable power, this SUV redefines versatility, offering a harmonious balance of performance and comfort for the modern adventurer. Number 4. Maserati Ghibli. Enter the Ghibli, a name synonymous with passion and performance. Born in 2013, this luxury sedan boasts a 3.0-liter V6 engine, packing a punch with 345 horsepower. Its striking design and exhilarating acceleration, from 0 to 60 mph in just 4.7 seconds, make it a force to be reckoned with on the road. Number 5. Maserati MC12. Prepare to be mesmerized by the MC12, a limited edition marvel that pushes the boundaries of automotive engineering. Crafted between 2004 and 2005, only 50 lucky individuals had the privilege of owning this masterpiece. Powered by a 6.0-liter V12 engine, churning out 620 horsepower, the MC12 embodies the essence of exclusivity and performance, cementing its status as a true collector's gem. Number 6. Maserati 3200 GT. Journey back to the late 90s with the 3200 GT, a timeless grand tourer that continues to captivate enthusiasts. Produced from 1998 to 2002, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 370 horsepower. Its elegant design and formidable performance ensure an unforgettable driving experience, making it a cherished icon in Maserati's illustrious history. Number 7. Maserati Spider. Unleash your senses with the Spider, a convertible masterpiece that epitomizes open-air exhilaration. Produced from 2001 to 2007, this two-seater sports car houses a 4.2-liter V8 engine, producing 390 horsepower. With its breathtaking acceleration and luxurious interior, the Spider offers a symphony of performance and style that is bound to leave a lasting impression. Number 8. Maserati Shamal. Dive into the past with the Shamal, a 90s icon that continues to capture the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Produced from 1990 to 1996, this coupe boasts a 3.2-liter V8 engine, delivering 326 horsepower. Its timeless design and exhilarating performance make it a rare gem in Maserati's rich heritage, embodying the essence of Italian craftsmanship and passion. Number 9. Maserati Biturbo. Revive the spirit of the 80s with the Biturbo, a legendary sports car that continues to evoke nostalgia among aficionados. Produced from 1981 to 1994, this coupe offers a range of engines, including a potent 3.2-liter V6. Despite mixed reviews on reliability, the Biturbo's undeniable charm and performance ensure its place in Maserati's Hall of Fame. Number 10. Maserati 3500 GT. Last, but certainly not least, we have the 3500 GT, a classic masterpiece that embodies the essence of Maserati's golden era. Produced from 1957 to 1964, this coupe features a 3.5-liter inline-six engine delivering 220 horsepower. Renowned for its reliability and timeless design, the 3500 GT remains a symbol of Maserati's enduring legacy and commitment to excellence. These top 10 Maserati cars not only represent the pinnacle of automotive engineering, but also serve as a testament to the brand's unwavering dedication to performance, luxury, and innovation. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in our next video. Get ready to dive into the world of luxury and reliability with our top 10 most reliable used Porsches. From sleek sports cars to versatile SUVs, these machines offer the perfect blend of performance and dependability. So, without further ado, let's begin. Number 1. 2022 Porsche 718 Cayman. Sleek, stylish, and boasting a performance that'll leave you breathless, this beauty is more than just a pretty face. With around 16 cubic feet of cargo space, it defies the odds of practicality for a sports car, making it a versatile choice for everyday use. But what about reliability? Well, according to consumer and expert reviews, the 2022 Cayman earns its stripes with a solid build quality and respectable dependability. So if you're in the market for a thrilling ride that doesn't compromise on reliability, the 718 Cayman might just be your perfect match. Number 2. 2013 Porsche Cayenne. Next up, we have the 2013 Porsche Cayenne, a powerhouse SUV that's as capable off-road as it is on the asphalt. Boasting a range of potent engines and a luxurious interior, the Cayenne is the epitome of versatility. But what about its reliability? Well, with an average yearly maintenance cost of $1,231, according to RepairPal, and solid consumer ratings, the 2013 Cayenne proves that it's more than just a pretty face. Number 3. 2018 Porsche Macan. If you're in the market for a compact luxury SUV that handles like a sports car, look no further than the 2018 Porsche Macan. With its refined interior, improved infotainment system, and exhilarating performance, the Macan delivers a driving experience that's second to none. But what about reliability? Despite its turbocharged performance, the 2018 Macan boasts respectable reliability ratings, making it a solid choice for those seeking both thrills and peace of mind on the road. Number 4. 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster. Now let's turn our attention to the 2021 Porsche 718 Boxster, a convertible sports car that's sure to turn heads wherever it goes. Despite initial skepticism from Porsche purists, the 718 Boxster has proven itself as a worthy successor to its predecessors. With excellent consumer ratings and a price range that won't break the bank, the 2021 Boxster is a compelling option for those seeking open-top thrills without compromising on reliability. Number 5. 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster. Continuing the legacy of its predecessors, the 2018 Porsche 718 Boxster combines performance with practicality in a sleek and stylish package. With its peppy engines, high-end amenities, and spacious seats, the 718 Boxster is more than just a weekend toy. It's a reliable companion for everyday adventures. So if you're in the market for a convertible sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating, the 2018 Boxster ticks all the right boxes. Number 6. 2016 Porsche 911R. Prepare to be dazzled by the 2016 Porsche 911R, a special edition model that's sure to set your pulse racing. With its naturally aspirated engine and manual transmission, the 911R delivers a driving experience that's pure, unadulterated fun. And despite its rarity and high price tag, the 911R boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a worthy investment for collectors and enthusiasts alike. Number 7. 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe. For purists who crave the thrill of the open road, the 2019 Porsche 911 Carrera T Coupe delivers in spades. With its lightweight construction, sharp steering, and blistering performance, the Carrera T is a driver's car through and through. And with solid reliability ratings to boot, it's a sports car that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 8. 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S. For those who demand nothing but the best, the 2019 Porsche 911 Turbo S is in a league of its own. With its monstrous power, advanced technology, and impeccable build quality, the Turbo S is the ultimate expression of Porsche's engineering prowess. And with stellar reliability ratings, it's a supercar that's as reliable as it is breathtaking. Number 9. 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS. If speed is your drug of choice, the 2018 Porsche 911 GT2 RS is sure to satisfy your cravings. With its mind-boggling performance and track-focused design, the GT2 RS is a force to be reckoned with on the road and the track. And despite its extreme nature, it boasts solid reliability ratings, making it a supercar that's as dependable as it is exhilarating. Number 10. 2015 Porsche 911. Last but certainly not least, we have the iconic 2015 Porsche 911, a legend in the world of sports cars. With its timeless design, exhilarating performance, and everyday usability, the 911 is the epitome of automotive excellence. And with solid reliability ratings, it's a sports car that's as reliable as it is thrilling to drive. And there you have it, folks. The top 10 most reliable Porsches to buy used. From the iconic 911 to the versatile Cayenne, these cars have earned their place in automotive history as trusted companions on the road. If you found this video informative, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button for more amazing content. Thanks for watching.